Rebecca, eat.
I'm about to eat a warhead. Are you ready, guys?
Don't spit it out.
Okay.
Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Gotta be tough.
Waller it around your mouth.
Don't
Don't
bite
bite
it. Just suck on it.
I don't want this. No!
It'll get sweet in a minute.
Yeah, just like the one Mommy gave you.
It's getting sweet, isn't it?
No. It's not.
It's getting sweet. Keep sucking on it. Waller it around your mouth. Is it getting sweet?
Mm-hmm. It's already sweet.
Warhead challenge completed. Thumbs up.